Hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a new way to do Facebook ad retargeting. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can retarget so that when people come to your website and they added the product to site, they'll be able to see that exact product in the retargeting ad. And I'll show you guys step by step. So guys, as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to retarget in a more effective way, right? This is going to help you in terms of capturing customers that may have added to cart, that may have viewed your product and have left your site. Maybe they got distracted. And by doing this type of retargeting, it will show them the product that they originally saw and show them that same product basically in the ad, where they'll be like, oh, okay, oh yeah, I remember this. You know what? Let me go back and finish my purchase, right? So guys, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So right here, just click create right here. So this is the Facebook Ads Manager, guys. We just click create. Then select sales. Once you've selected sales, you select continue. Select continue. And once you've done that, guys, select manual sales campaign. Once you've selected manual sales campaign, select continue. And then now we are in the campaign level. We're in the campaign level, guys. Yeah. And right here, guys, you see this catalog. It says catalog right here. You just click on. That's it. And then it will show you your catalog here. This is very, very important because when you're retargeting to people, the product that they will see will be the product that the customer last saw. So it's not going to show them like new stuff. It's going to show them the product that they last saw or added to cart with, basically. So it's gonna kind of jog their memory to be like, oh yeah, that's that t-shirt that I wanted. Do you know what? Yeah. Oh, okay, let me get it. Because you have to remember, when people buy online, they get distracted all the time. There's TikTok, there's IG Reels, there's people are calling them. You know, there's all sorts of distractions happening, right? So retargeting people is a very important component when you're doing Facebook ads and Instagram ads. It's a very important component, right? Even now with iOS 14, 15, even now, right? Yeah. So here, you turn this on, and then we scroll down, and you can choose your budget, just any budget that you're comfortable with right here. You can do campaign budget, you can do ad set budget, it doesn't matter. But for the sake of the video, we can do it like this. Then once we're done, you just click next right here. And then we're now at the ad set level, right? So I'm gonna select this. So I want conversions. So you want to, when you see the performance goal, you select maximum number of conversions, and a conversion event is purchase. Then you scroll down, and guys, once you get here, as you can see, you see this section right here. It says audience right here, but it looks a bit different. It looks a bit different. And then you just select, you have these two options. You just select retarget ads to people who interact with your product on or off Facebook. You just select that. Here we go. Retarget people who interact with your products on and off Facebook. And here are your options, guys. People who viewed or added to cart but did not purchase in the last 14 days. And you can select how many days. You can select how many days. You can even choose people who added to cart but didn't purchase. And again, you can select the days. Not only are you retargeting people to get people to buy, especially people that added to cart, you can also retarget people to get people to upsell them products or cross-sell them products. Here, You can upsell. And then here you can select your product set. That's why it's important to turn on the catalog, in the beginning. You can do the same with cross-selling products. Again, you can also do custom combinations. So you can do purchased in the last 14 days and you can add an inclusion here. You can do added to cart. You can do different combinations of how people behave when they go through your funnel, through your online shopping funnel. And what do I mean by funnel? Funnel is basically the buying process for the customer. What's the process that they're going through? They see your product, they add to cart, they click checkout, they add payment info, then they buy it. That's the funnel. That's the customer buying process. You know? And you can create your own interactions, and you can exclude certain interactions that you don't want the algorithm to include while it's retargeting. And guys, don't forget this as well, your product set. Make sure you choose your product set right here. That's why it's important to choose the catalog switch, have that on. That's why that's important. Because how would the algorithm know what to show to your audience? So if they've interacted with a product that's on your website, that's also on your catalog, the algorithm will know that, oh, it's this product I'm going to show to this customer because this is what they added to cart or this is what they last viewed. Yeah. And then once you do that, you go through the process again, you click next, and you basically, you can put in primary text, add some links if you want to, and that's pretty much it. But this part right here is super important. This middle part right here is super important. Back in the day, when you click create, it would say catalog. It would have that option. But the way to do this is by clicking sales and then turning on the catalog switch in order to have access to this. So there's another way to retarget using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. As usual, if you want to learn more, click the links in my description. I've got courses there. I've got mini courses. I've got all sorts of stuff if you want to learn more stuff from me. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys on your business journey. Take care.